Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Todd Hasty here, eXp Realty. All right, I've got three Center Hill Lakehomes about to become available. The first one's becoming available this afternoon. It will be live. Today's June 1st. It's a beautiful day. A little bit of overcast, but not too hot. But this is the one I've done a few videos about, and it will be live. I got the photographer, the pictures back, and should have some drone footage, a drone video to show the great spot it is on the lake. Super easy lake access at this one, and just right down where you can pull in a pontoon or something, have a portable dock or swim platform. All right, the second is over in Riverwatch. It's over on Highland Trail. It's the closest house to the boat ramp. It's the last house before you get to the boat ramp over in Riverwatch. It's got a fairly new, pretty new ramp over there. It has some Lakeview, big rooms. It's 21, a little over 2,000 square feet, 2184 square footage, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Nice size home, big rooms, huge outdoor area, screened in porch looking at the lake, and then some open sun deck, nice large area, and then a covered deck downstairs off of the second living area. It's going to be $449,900, so under 5, and Lakeview, closest house to the ramp in Riverwatch, which everybody loves Riverwatch. If you play golf, that's the place to be up on Center Hill Lake, is Riverwatch Golf Course. That will be available starting Saturday, so June 5th. That'll be available June 5th, $449,900. And then the third coming up is over on the other side of the lake. It's a tiny house. It's just 500 square feet, but it's new, and it's very nice, has some lake view. But the big appeal to this property is its acreage. It's 18 acres on Center Hill Lake, with a tiny house that's very nice, ready to use now. There's a couple other home sites, place you're going to pull your camper up as well. It's close to Center Hill Marina. And it's acreage, 18 acres, and it's all not side of the hill. There's some usable acreage, great four-wheeling hunting area. That one is $325,000. It'll go quick. It's going to be available probably the middle of June, but I just wanted to share with you because the inventory's been real tight on Center Hill Lake. There's not been much for sale in the way of lake homes, so I've got 3 starting this afternoon. 3 all different types of property. I've got a lakefront, a lake view, and acreage with a little house, all becoming available in June. Give me a call, 615-218-9891. If you have questions about it or want to lined up for a showing. Ann Helen's ready to show now. Either give me a call. If you have a realtor, call your realtor and have them line it up for you. But anyway, I hope y'all have a great afternoon. It feels like Monday because yesterday's Memorial Day, but it's Tuesday and we just have a short week. So we'll be at weekend soon. And hope you have a great day on Center Hill Lake.